Yes, good morning, students. So, we are discussing statistics chapter, right? In that statistics chapter, we learned the three measures of central tendency, that is mean, mode, and median. So, in the last class, we discussed median concept. How to find out the median of group data. So, we discussed one formula also to find the median. Which formula? Can anyone recall that formula once? Yes, Anjali. Anjali, median formula for group data. Anjali, 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 which formula we are using to find Anurag? Anurag, hello Anurag. Yes, no one is ready to give the answer. Anish, Anish.
Mataji.
Yes, what is the formula to find out the median, Anish, for group data?
Median is equal to
हाँ
L plus
हाँ
M divided by 2
हाँ
minus CF whole divided by F
हाँ.
into H.
Yes, very good. So median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So using this formula, we can find out the median of group data. Okay, so where N is number of observation, CF is nothing but cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Then F is the frequency of the median class. Then H is the class size. Okay, so median class. How to select median class? So for that we have to take n by 2 concept, n by 2. So we'll get one answer, no? That we have to search in the cumulative frequency column. That class interval, related class interval is called as median class. So using this concept, we have to find out the median of group data. So yesterday in the last class, okay, so we discussed actually two problems related to median of group data. So today we are going to discuss two more example problems related to median of group data. Okay, today we are going to discuss some different problems. The class interval is not given actually. So we have to prepare the class interval. Okay. So in the last class we discussed that less than type and more than type conversion also. Now, in this example, actually, they have given the problem in the less than form only. Okay, they have given the problem in the less than form only. But to get the median, we need the class interval because median class is very important. So now the problem is in the form of less than type conversion. Already less than type form is given. So how to take this less than type to get the median? Okay, so that is actually example problem. So this is in your textbook only. Is that clear? Okay. So now let us begin the problem. Height is given, number of girls is given. Okay. So what is the given problem? Actually, you just observe. Height in centimeter. Less than 140. Number of girls 4. Okay. Less than 140 centimeter height. Number of girls 4. Less than 145. Total 11 members are there. Less than 145. So you just think less than 144 members are there in the sense. Less than 145 in the sense 11. 11 in the sense these 4 is also included in this 11 now. Less than 145 in the sense less than 140 also covered now. Got the idea of this one? Next less than 150. 29. 29 in the sense again this is covered actually. 29. Then less than 155. Again this much covered actually. Next, less than 160, 46, less than 160 in the 46 in the sense, okay, these three also covered or this one also covered. Next, less than 165 is 51. Okay, now we have to convert this in the form of class interval. Now we have to prepare one table. So we have to write it in the form of less than form in the form of class interval form. So how to write that one? Okay, so we have to take one more table. Actually, this is the question given. Now we are going to write the solution part for this. So for that first we will prepare the table. Okay. So first is height. Height in centimeter only. Height in centimeter. Okay. So next one. After that what we need actually to find median? frequency is needed. Okay, frequency is needed. So next, what is actually given? Cumulative frequency. See here, friends, actually, so number of girls. Is this frequency or cumulative frequency? Frequency or cumulative frequency? Tell me first. Cumulative frequency, already less than type conversion is given in the sense. This is called as cumulative frequency, no? Yes, that is given as cumulative frequency. Using that cumulative frequency, we have to write the frequency. Is that clear? First, let us concentrate on the class interval. So, less than 140. Less than 140. Less than 140 in the sense starting range is not given actually. So we cannot take 0 to 140 because if we take the first class interval as 0 to 140, so next is class is 140 to 145. Class size may differ, no? So that's why first class interval we cannot predict that 140, 145, then 135. We cannot judge that 145. So that's why we have to take first one as below 140. Okay, first one we have to take it as below 140. First class interval is fixed, that is below 140. Below 140, see cumulative frequency is 4. Let us write the cumulative frequency column first. 4, 11, 29, 40, 46, 51. Actually, this is cumulative frequency column. So now we have to take this cumulative frequency to write the frequency column. So now below 140, can you guess the frequency? Yes, as usual it is 4 only. 4, 4 cumulative frequency. 4, 4. Okay. So next below 140 over. Next you can guess the range of the second class interval. No? Yes. What is the?
7.
7. Okay. Class interval.
Below 140.
If we take below, we cannot get class interval.
Between 140 and
145. So how can we take the next class interval? 140 to 145. Now you can guess the class interval as 140 to 145. Is that clear? Let us write the class interval first. 140 to 145. Then 145 to 150. Then 150 to 155. Then 155 to 160, then 160 to 165. See, here the last is 165. Here you got the class interval like this. You can observe the class size of this one. 140 minus 140, 145 minus 140, 150 minus 145, 155 minus 150, 160 minus 155, 165 minus 160. So, we got the class intervals. Next, now we have to write the frequency using this cumulative frequency. See here, below 140 is 4. So, cumulative frequency is 4 in the sense frequency is also 4. Now, next, 140 to 145. Here you just observe, less than 145 is 11. Less than 145 is 11 in the sense, it covers less than 140 also. These 4 members are also in the 11 members group. But here we need only 140 to 145 range. Then we don't want this 4, right? No. So what we have to do for that? 11 minus 4. To write the frequency of this one, what we have to do? We have to do with the 11 minus 4. What is the answer? 11 minus 4? Yes. So next frequency is 7. Next frequency is 7. Now, see here, less than 150. Less than 150 is 29. Less than 150 is 29. But we need 145 to 150 range. 145 to 150 range. So these 11 members also covered now. Only we have to take 11 because this 4 is involved in the 11. That's why. So now 29. Total strength is 29. But we need only 145 to 150 range. So what we have to do with that? 29 minus 11. What we have to do? 29 minus 11. How much? 18. 29 minus 11 is 18. Next, 150 to 155. So 150 to 155 range we need. See here, less than 155 is 40. So 155, less than 155 is 40. In the sense it covers all. This is 29. So, but we don't want that 29 because 150 to 155 range we need. So, what we have to do for that? 40 minus 29. 40 minus 29. What is the answer for that?
11.
11. Yes. Right? Exactly. Are you observing the answer page? Yes. No. Okay. 11. Very good, Akshay. Next, only Anjali is sending the message for me. Okay, next one. 155 to 160. How to get 155 to 160 range? 46 minus 40. 46 minus 40. That is 6. Yes, very good, Anmit. Anjali, okay. Anmit, Anjali, all are sending the message. Next, last. 160 to 165. That is 51 minus 46. 51 minus 46 is, yes, 5. So, got the idea how to, yes, very good, very good, very good. Active participation. Okay. So, this is the way of converting this less than type into this class interval form. Is that clear, students? So, now we got actual problem. So, can you find out the median for this? Yes, we can find out the median for this now. Yes. First step is we have to add this frequency column. Total number of observations, right? No? So, number of observation n is equal to, let us add, or you can observe the problem also. Problem in that is survey regarding the heights of 51 girls of class 10th of a school was conducted and following table was recorded. Okay, following data was obtained actually. 51 girls. So in the problem only we got the idea that total frequency is 51. Can we check once whether our frequency table is right or wrong? If we got the total strength is 51, then our frequency table is right. Okay, so you just say check the answer. 6 plus 5, this is 11. 11 plus 11 is 22. 22 plus 18 is, 22 plus 18 is how much?
40.
Then 40 plus 7 is 47. 47 plus 4 is 51. Yes, n is equal to 51. So our frequency distribution table is perfect. Is that clear? Okay. So now n we got, which is the first step to find out the median of the group data. Now the table preparation work is over. So now, which is the next step to find out the median of the group data? What is the next step, students? Yes, n by 2. Very good. N by 2 we have to do. First step is n by 2. That is 51 by 2. So what is the answer for this 51 by 2? Yes, 25.5. 25.5. Now where we have to search this 25.5? So that is in the cumulative frequency distribution table. See here, first only 4, then up to 11, 29. See here, 29. So then 25.5 lies in this line only, no? Yes, this one we have to mark. This is the median class. Is that clear, students? So up to 29 is here in the sense that n by 2 25.5 lies here only. So this in this class interval only. Okay. So that's why we selected the median class as. Okay. So now we got median class. Median class is equal to 140 to 145. So you have to mark like this. Okay. 145 to 150. 145 to 150. Is that clear, students? Yes, 145 to 150 is the median class. Now, what is required actually? CF. Can we write CF now? CF. CF in the sense cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Preceding the median class in the sense this 11 is CF. Is that clear, students? Yes. So, this 11 is CF. Right now, 11. Next row. F. Can anyone tell me F? F is frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class is 18. Yes, this is frequency 18. Okay. Next, what is required actually? N by 2 is ready. CF, F, H. Class size 5 now. 145 minus 140 is 5. 150 minus 145 is 5. Yes, H is 5. So one thing is missing now. What is that? Yes, lower limit. L is equal to lower limit of the class interval, that is 145. Lower limit is 145. Got the idea of this one? Yes, everything is ready. Now we have to prepare food. Right now, ingredients are ready. So can I erase this first one question actually? Yes. So here we'll write the formula. Median is equal to, yes, median which is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. This is the formula. So now we have to substitute the value median which is equal to, what is L here? 145 plus N by 2 is already ready, that is 25.5 minus CF is 11 divided by F is 18 into H is 5. Is that clear? Okay. So now fatafat calculation. Okay, median is equal to, let us take this 145 as it is. Next, 25.5 minus 11. Fatafat, tell me first. 25.5 minus 11, that is 14.5 divided by 18 into 5. What is the next step actually? 75.5, for which 75.5? Now, are you multiplying this one? 14.5 into 5 here, 18 and 5. Can we cancel this one? No, we cannot cancel now. So, 145 plus. Can we multiply these two? 14.5 into 5. What is the answer? 14.5 into 5. 72.5. 72.5 divided by 18. Now, you just divide this one first. Divide this first. 145 plus 72.5 by 18. What is the answer? 72.5 divided by 18. What is the answer? 72.5 divided by 18. Division process over. 72.5 divided by 18. Don't use calculator because in your examination calculator not allowed. So if you get this type of question, okay, so just you have to divide.
4.145 plus 4.2.
4.21 pakka. 4.21. See here, 4.02. Some students are sending that 4.02, which is the right answer. 145 plus Akshay is telling that 4.21. So which is the proper answer? 4.02. All are sending that 4.02 Akshay. 4.02. Okay. 4.02. Now 145 plus 4.02. What is the answer? 4.02 correct. 149.02. So this is the median of this data. Got the idea? Yes, thank you so much. 4.02. I took that 4.02 only answer. See, very simple no students, median concept. Pakka 3 marks question, median. So very simple. So but this is a different type of question, less than type conversion. But we converted that less than type in the form of this class interval. Okay, that as usual formula and substitution and simplification. So here you have to be very careful calculation part. Okay, so otherwise you will not get complete 3 marks. See, this one clear now? Do you have any doubts regarding this question? So if you are not having any doubts regarding this question, we'll discuss one more problem. We'll discuss one more problem that is also different type of problem. Yes. So do you have any doubts regarding this problem, students? No. So I think you have got the clear picture of the median, right? So now you are able to solve the median of grouped data. Yes. Shall we discuss one more problem now? Yes. Let us discuss one more problem. So here. So I need 2 minutes time for the board work. Let us pause the recording version.